Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with the sticker books that I've received from the latest back to school release from the Happy Planner, and I'm going to take you through a flip through of each of them. All right, let's get started. The first one I'm going to take you through is Rock This, and when Happy Planner first showed it to us, I was like, yes, I want it. I just love the colors. It feels very like elementary type of school colors, if you know what I mean, without the, I don't know how to describe it. But this looks like it's made for the big Happy Planner, just seeing the sizes of these boxes, but I don't care. I will still use them in my mini and my classic. I love the leaves. Love the leaves. And I love this color of yellow, like this mustard. Faculty meeting. I will probably use the reschedule ones, but the rest I will not. Happy birthday, always important. I don't know. Happy birthday. Assignment. With these ones, I would use them probably in a work planner or something, but cut off where it says assignment or covered up with something. So you could still definitely use all these boxes. Silver foil. Ooh, the bronze foil. Wow. And oh, these are cute. They're like little notebook paper stickers. I love boxes like these. Remember, I love the colors of them. Love the colors. Oh, again, these boxes are cute. I could use these in my daily planner as well. Love boxes. And I don't know if you guys have seen me do this, but I've taken this and actually cut across so that these could create like 4 individual boxes here. And I could still probably use the things to do in a different spread. I could use these with my kids in our family calendar. Love these. I wish there was more than one page though. Really, really cute boxes. Boxes I could certainly use for work. Due date. If you don't want to have the due date in there, you can easily wipe that out or cover it with another sticker. Not a big deal. These ones are a little bit harder for me to use. I will be perfectly honest. I don't grade papers. So I don't know. And a whole bunch of bronze foil. Day off task lists. These I could certainly use. I love that. Reschedule lesson plan. And that with silver foil. Ooh, favorite. These quiz today, test today. There you go. And more of those notebooks. Why? I don't see why though these are separate from the other ones. I don't know. Just my thought. But that is the Rock This sticker book. The next sticker book is Teacher Florals, and this might be my favorite. This might be my favorite out of this whole release. So this one is made for the classic. I can just tell by the sizes of the boxes, but again, don't let it limit you to which planner size you've got. You can use any stickers in any size planner. Oh, so pretty. Loving the colors. Oh my gosh. That has to be my favorite color scheme. Favorite color scheme. Oh, they're all so pretty. That one's hard to tell what they are, but yes, they're individual like quarter boxes. Oh my gosh. Oh, love it. Love it. You could so easily do so many rainbow spreads with these. Oh my goodness. Whoops. I love it. I love it. I love it. I want a book with just these florals, please. Oh, so pretty. Ooh. Gorgeous. More of these. I am a Canadian, so not all of these will apply to me, but what do you know? And like those. I like that these stickers are transparent. Ooh, that purple is beautiful. They've done really well with the floral. Oh my god. That takes my breath away every time. Like those colors. Love it. I'm not going to use the lesson plan or faculty meeting, but I will use the reschedule probably. Ooh, I love these, but I wouldn't probably use the test today. I would probably cut out where it says test and just use the word today. I could still make it work. And this is my favorite. Oh, so pretty. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. That's a great quote. Oh, I love quotes. I love, oh my God. You guys know which one's my favorite. It is these, and this sticker book. So far, my favorite of the whole release. So that's Teacher Florals. Next, we have Fancy Florals. So Fancy Florals, I feel like is very similar to, not similar to, but the style of the stickers is similar to maybe Trust the Process. But I believe these look like they're made for the big Happy Planner, but don't quote me on that. I love that. There's a lot of foil in this. Oh, I love the yellow. Appointment to do, read this. Cute. Yeah, so this looks like it was made for the big just by looking at the size of the boxes. But that's not going to stop me. Is there another page there? Yes. Oh, no, there's not. Gold foil. Oh, I love that. Pretty. So pretty. Like, which one am I going to use first? Teaching is my jam, one of a kind. Really pretty. Like, and I love the circle stickers. I love those. Oh my gosh. I could see myself using those in my journal already. Like, how pretty are they? And then today's priorities. Can make this work in daily. Oh, I love the colors. I love all the dots. I kind of wish they put them all on one page. Pretty. And I mean, this week's lessons, you could probably put a sticker on that to make it say whatever. Yeah, I think this reminds me of Trust the Process a little bit with how the boxes are. I always love a good quotes page. And these florals. I love that. So pretty. Really great boxes. Ooh, yes. I could see these working really well in my daily. You know it's going to be a good sticker book for you if you can already see yourself using them. I love these. Goals, progress, assignments. I could make that work in my work planner. What methods have succeeded? What method, you know, where can I make improvements? I like that. And then these, I think, is like a habit tracker for the week. Really pretty. So that is Fancy Florals. The last one is, I think, more like a it's not an accessory pack, but Teacher Florals. So, ooh, similar to kind of like the Teresa Collins pack. So this one has 46 stickers in there. So, can you guys see that? Yes. Oh, that is my favorite page. I love these. So they're extra decor. Oh, I love that I get another page of that. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy I got this Teacher Florals one. Just, it was my favorite. So that is, I don't even know what to call it. Is it a mini sticker book? Anyway, so there was Rock This, Teacher Florals, and Fancy Florals. Which one was your favorite? All right, so I have left my affiliate link down in the description below, and these will be available on the Happy Planner website on this date. And there will also be discount codes available to use for the first few days of the release. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.